can honestly say I miss New York a lot, but like not as much as people think I do. So like there's not too many things I can probably say that. Only thing I can really say is the food, like the Chinese food. I really miss that a lot. The pizza down there, the bagels down there. I miss the food a lot.
It's awkward.
But like like just a deli on every corner and stuff like that. That kind of lifestyle I'm accustomed to. It's not down here. And that's probably the biggest thing I miss. But like overall, I just love it down here. Like
bacon, egg, and cheese.
I love it.
I miss the bacon, egg, and cheeses and the Chinese food. Oh my God. Chopped cheese.
Transportation was easy. Just going from place to place was so quick. Like here, you gotta walk everywhere. I'd be tired.
I just get tired.
Too hot. Too hot.
Way too hot.
I used to just have to swipe a card now, be on the train.
Yo, we all got so darker since we came here, boy. Oh my, I can't even see my tattoos no more.
And once Chad actually followed through and actually came in with me, like I knew it was going to be a great time. From the opening, just getting to know him, like just little things like that we've seen in at camps, rivals and all that. We just like our bond got that much stronger, and just like we feed off each other a lot. We're so like we come to realize that we're so much alike, and really it's just been like a great ride ever since like I first met him. Don't touch me, don't like me.
Damn, I felt that. He said it all. It was a tough year, but like I was basically learning a new position because I played tight end my first year, and this was like my first year playing D tackle. But like I was trying to learn new things like on the hand movements, on the juke moves, like keeping my pads low. But I really wasn't keeping my pads low, so it was a new adjustment. And basically playing against him, like it got him better, it got me better. Like he was more quicker and faster. And I was a little bit slow and heavy at the time, so like I was trying to like do things that I wasn't capable of doing. So, and then sometimes he would stop me, and then I would feel upset, and then like bull rush him, and then that would happen. And, yeah.
Our coach making us run all the time, him dunking on people, watching like he was sometimes dunking on me. Like I just remember playing basketball with him. Like it never really to it.
I grew up in Roseville, Queens, Springfield Gardens, Queens. Really, like I didn't spend too much time in my neighborhood because I was always away at school. I went to a private school in Dyker Heights, Brooklyn. So like I spent most of my time there and hanging around like Manhattan and like that city area and stuff like that. But it was fast paced, like especially like what you think about New York. Just like very congested, a lot of people, stores everywhere, tourists and stuff like that. It's pretty much like stereotypical New York. But like I didn't spend too much time in like where I'm from, to say the least.
Me, I grew up. There's a lot of places I've been. Like I lived in a lot of homes. Like sometimes I was in Fort Greene. I grew up in Brownsville. I grew up in like there's a lot of places I call home that I feel like I grew up in. But like I would always say Brownsville because like that's why I feel like at the time that was my crucial point in time where like that's why I started developing my character like who I am today. So like Brownsville is definitely a special place. Not special, but like it's more of dangerous on the dangerous side. You don't want to go out besides like out of town like around like 9 o'clock to stay inside your house unless you like you know somebody. And basically like if you know people, it's a great neighborhood to be in. Like it's always people outside, you know, talking to each other. It's a great community to be in, basically. But other than that, like I love Brooklyn. I love Brownsville. Brooklyn all day.
And Adam,
See, I'm not where they're from. I'm from Long Island, so it's like a little like further out. But, like we'd mostly be like Queens, like Jamaica and Metropolitan most of the time. Like, cause that's where I go to school, so I would like hang around that area. Like Long Island, it's quiet. It's not like it's boring. Long Island. There's nothing to do in Long Island. But Queens is, like you said, like a lot of people, noisy. Sometimes you hear gunshots walking in the morning, so I would be like, yeah, you know, like that's why I didn't stay away from Jamaica. I'd be more metropolitan.